This is the Customizable air cooler, and it's awesome. It has several different settings, as well as a timer too, from 2 to 8 hours. And it's very easy to use. Let me show you how it works. It comes with a power cord with a USB connection. So all you have to do is plug it into one of your extra USB outlets. Then you're going to plug it into the side of the unit. Just like that. It also comes with this ice tray, so you can put it inside the water to cool it down even more. To turn on the unit, all you have to do is hold the button down for a few seconds. Just like that. And there's also 4 settings it has: low, medium, medium high, and high too. Now, if you don't have any water in, it's just a nice air cooler. And once you add the water inside this reservoir, and then you can add ice too, then it becomes even more colder. Let me show you how it works. All you have to do is add some water in and fill up the reservoir. If you have it all the way full, it can last up to 8 hours. There's a timer setting that can do 2, 4, 6, and 8 hours. Perfect! To make it even more colder, you can add ice. Look at this cute ice tray they provided. Then you close up the unit and you turn it back on. Ooh, I can feel it getting colder already. There's also directional fan blades to have it whatever direction you want. Now, if you want to have it extra cold, all you have to do is fill up the water container and then push this button. Then it becomes a humidifier. It feels colder already. Another nice feature is this light. Let me turn off the light so you can see what it looks like. Isn't this night light cool? It rotates from all different colors. What a nice rainbow. Really adds a nice touch, don't you think? Super pretty and relaxing. When you fill up the tank all the way, it can hold up to 700 milliliters of water. I was sent this from Customizable to evaluate and to give my opinion, and I absolutely love it. And I think you will too. It's going to keep you nice and cool during these next spring and summer months. Great to use in your office, in a bedroom, or in your living room, family room too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.